Los Angeles, La La Land, the city of angels. It's a place of myth, legend, and the occasional overpriced latte. A city that can make you feel like $1,000,000 or quickly remind you that you only brought 100. But fear not, traveler, whether you're arriving by private jet or Greyhound, Los Angeles has something for everyone. This busy city are the homes to many surfers due to sunshine, beaches, and enough avocado toast to satisfy the most fussy eater. But beyond the glitz and glamour, there's a city with diverse cultures, hidden gems, and surprisingly affordable adventures. So loosen your belt buckle or tighten it depending on your budget, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to experience the best of Los Angeles. From the star-studded sidewalks of Hollywood to the funky beach towns of the Pacific Coast Highway, we're about to embark on a whirlwind tour of this iconic city. And the best part? You get to choose your own adventure, luxury or budget-friendly. The choice is yours. Let's face it, a trip to LA wouldn't be complete without a taste of the high life. And what better way to experience the city of angels than by living like an angel investor? First stop, Rodeo Drive. The designer boutiques with diamond cuts on everything, so believe me, you can max out your credit card faster than you can say Gucci. Feeling peckish? Head over to Wolfgang Puck's legendary restaurant, where the food is as exquisite as the clientele. Just be prepared for a bill that might require a second mortgage. For a taste of Hollywood, book a night at the Chateau Marmont. This iconic hotel has hosted everyone from Marilyn Monroe to Leonardo DiCaprio. Just don't expect to find a bargain basement room rate. But the ultimate LA splurge is a helicopter tour of the city. Fly above the traffic and take in breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, the Hollywood sign, and the beautiful cityscape below. It's an experience that's worth every penny, and there will be a lot of pennies involved. No doubt there. Okay, so maybe your bank account doesn't quite stretch to diamond-cut toothpicks. No problem. LA is a surprisingly budget-friendly city if you know where to look. Forget Rodeo Drive, head straight to the Citadel outlets. Here you'll find designer brands at discount prices. Your wallet will thank you. Skip the celebrity chef restaurants and head to Grand Central Market. This downtown institution offers many culinary delights from around the world, all at wallet-friendly prices. Even award-winning tacos, your taste buds, and your budget will be singing. Ditch the pricey helicopter platform. This LA landmark offers stunning panoramic views of the city from the Hollywood sign to the Pacific Ocean. And the best part, it's absolutely free. Remember, experiencing the best of LA doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and a lot of sunscreen, you can have an unforgettable trip without maxing out your credit card. The Hollywood sign, that iconic symbol of dreams, ambition, and occasionally trespassing charges. But don't worry, you can get your Instagram-worthy shot without climbing a mountain or getting arrested. For the high rollers, there's the private helicopter tour. Fly over the sign, snap your pics, and maybe even try to spot a celebrity mansion or two. Now for our budget adventurers, fear not. The Griffith Star-gazing platform offers the best free views in town. Hike up to the platform, it's a good workout. You might want to pack a picnic and just enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city, including that iconic sign. Bonus points for spotting your favorite celebrity homes with the Griffith platform's free telescopes. Los Angeles is a foodie paradise, offering everything from Michelin-starred restaurants to late-night food trucks. So whether you're craving gourmet sushi or a greasy spoon burger, this city has got you covered. From the tasting menus at Providence to the modern French cuisine at Melis, these culinary temples offer an unforgettable dining experience. Just be prepared to shell out a small fortune for the privilege. But fear not, budget foodies. LA's food truck scene is legendary. From Korean BBQ tacos to gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches, these mobile eateries offer an explosion of flavors at a fraction of the cost of a fancy restaurant. Follow your nose and the crowds to find the best food trucks in town. Whether you're on Sunset Boulevard or in a hidden alley, there's always a delicious surprise waiting for you. Let's be honest, one of the main reasons to visit LA is for that glorious California sunshine. And what better way to soak it up than on one of LA's legendary beaches? For the ultimate in luxury, head to Malibu. This town is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, as well as some of the priciest real estate. rent a beachfront villa and work on your tan and rub shoulders with celebrities, at least their personal trainers. But for those of us who haven't quite achieved movie star status, there's Santa Monica. This vibrant beach town offers something for everyone, from amusement park rides to trendy boutiques to, of course, that glorious Pacific Ocean. Rent a bike, explore the pier, and soak up the sun without breaking the bank. Los Angeles is more than just Hollywood glitz and glamour. Beneath the surface, you will find a city with diverse cultures, quirky neighborhoods, and unexpected adventures. For a taste of art and culture, skip the crowded center and head to the Arts District. Once was an industrial area that now has been transformed into a vibrant hub of art galleries, street art, and trendy cafes. Explore the latest exhibitions, snap some Instagram-worthy pics of murals, and soak up the creative energy. This electric neighborhood is known for its street performers, quirky shops, and laid-back vibe. Rent a pair of roller skates, grab a smoothie, and soak up the unique atmosphere. Some enjoy taking a hike in Griffith Park. This urban oasis offers miles of hiking trails, stunning views of the city, and even a chance to spot some local wildlife. Los Angeles is a busy city, and getting around can be a challenge and expensive. But fear not, budget travelers. There are plenty of ways to navigate the city without breaking the bank. First things first, ditch the rental car. Traffic in LA is legendary, and parking can be a nightmare and a budget buster. Instead, go for public transportation. The LA metro system is surprisingly extensive and affordable, whisking you to all the major attractions. For shorter trips, consider ride-sharing services like Uber. They're generally cheaper than taxis, and you can often find discount codes for first-time users. Plus, you won't have to worry about navigating those notorious confusing LA streets. And for the ultimate budget-friendly transportation, consider walking. LA is a surprisingly walkable city, especially if you're exploring a specific neighborhood. Plus, it's a great way to discover hidden gems and soak up the local atmosphere. There you have it, folks. Your very own guide to conquering Los Angeles, whether you're traveling with a platinum card or a piggy bank. Remember, the beauty of this city lies in its diversity, so embrace the unexpected, explore at your own pace, and discover your new favorite taco joint or stumble upon a hidden gem that's not even on Instagram yet. That's the magic of Los Angeles. Now go forth and create your own LA story. Happy travels. But before I sign off, I just want to say thank you for joining me on this journey through the City of Angels. Whether you're planning your trip or just daydreaming about it, I hope this guide has sparked a bit of wanderlust in you. Los Angeles is a city like no other. I got to experience the Smokeout Tour as well as Jimmy Kimmel's show where Clay Aiken, Britney Spears, and DMX were appearing on. DMX was also at the Smokeout Tour. You can even go see Ripley's Believe It or Not, or just walk down the streets where all the stars covered the sidewalks. That's what we did. I was lucky to spend my time and experience with someone that lived in Los Angeles. We even went to a Halloween party in Beverly Hills. Memories that will last a lifetime. Los Angeles was full of surprises, and at night the skies were always full of stars, and it was always a nice way to end our nights. Sitting on a rooftop looking up at the clear skies while the air was warm, with just enough breeze to make it perfect. I spent 3 weeks in Los Angeles and enjoyed every minute of it. We even drove to Las Vegas. Now I will sign off saying, from the glitz and glamour of Hollywood to the serene beauty of all the beaches, there's something in Los Angeles for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore. And remember, the best travel stories are the ones you create yourself. So go out there, make some memories, and don't forget to share your Los Angeles adventures with all of us. Who knows, your tip might just be the highlight of someone else's trip. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring. And if you got any value from my video, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and click on that thumbs up. Your support is very much appreciated. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Happy and safe travels.